16th of Rabi'ul Akhir, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Imam Abdul Karim Qushayri Shafi'i Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, Hazrat Imam Abul Qasim Abdul Karim bin Hawazim Qushayri Shafi'i Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was born in 376 Hijri in Istawa of the suburbs of Nishapur, district Khurasan, Iran. He received his primary education and training whilst as an orphan. He studied various branches of knowledge in Nishapur. He visited several cities and gained blessed knowledge from various spiritual guides of his time. The name of Imam Abu Ishaq Isfaraini Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi is prominent amongst his teachers. He was a contemporary of Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. He continued teaching, propagating and guiding the people throughout his life. He made huge achievements and accomplishments in the propagation of Islam and through the rectification of people from every class of society. The book Risala Qushayriya is full of blessings amongst all his several memorable and famous writings. Imam Subki Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi wrote about this book that calamity would not visit that house in which there is this famous blessed book. Shaykhul Mashayikh Hazrat Imam Abul Qasim Abdul Karim bin Hawazin Qushayri Shafi'i Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 16th of Rabi'ul Akhir in 465 Hijri, corresponding to the 31st of December 1072 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Nishapur, district Khurasan, Iran, beside the blessed grave of his spiritual guide, Sheikh Abu Ali Daqqaq, alayhi rahmatur razzaq. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.